Hello, beautiful family. Welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing so well. Today, I want to share with you how I made this samosa and spring roll wraps. This is very easy and quick to prepare. So let's get started. In my bowl, I have in all-purpose flour. To that, I'll add in a pinch of salt. Add just a little bit of water to it and mix until a dough begins to form. And please, we are not making this watery. We are making this like a puff dough. That is how we want the consistency to be. Just look at how it looks. It's not watery, it's not heavy. That's how we want it. And guys, what do you think about this samosa and spring roll dough? So easy and quick to prepare. Next, I will heat up my pan, and this is the lid of my cooking pot I use in the house. You can make use of any cooking lid that looks like this, or you can use a non-stick pan. It works perfectly fine as well. So next, I will spread my dough on my pan in a circular motion as I'm doing right now, and flatten it very well to create some smoothness on your dough, just as you're seeing right now. And as you can see, I have some spaces over there, and I'll be filling it with my dough perfectly as you've seen. And after that, you flip it over nicely as you've seen. Perfect and easy way to make samosa and spring roll wrap. Just look at that, so easy to prepare. So I will repeat the same process until everything is nicely done. Make sure your pan is not very hot so you don't hurt yourself, guys. So you spread your dough on your pan in the circular motion as I'm doing. You flatten it using your hand. Wait for like 30 seconds and flip it over, just as you're seeing right now. Perfect and easy. And to my new babies out here, thank you for coming to this channel. This is a foodie channel, and I know you're going to love staying here. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me from day one. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, as I said, please subscribe and be part of this foodie channel. And guys, if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching this video to this point. And if you want to see how I made my samosa and spring rolls, please click on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post that video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.